Hello?
Wait, what time is it? Okay, it's
11.
It's 1:24.
It's 1:25.
1:25. Okay, so hang on, I got this. Oh, hi everybody!
Did you forget?
Yeah.
Do you need a stopwatch?
No. If it's yes, I got one.
Do the smart thing to do.
Okay, so stop it when that says. That says. Okay. Hello and welcome to
Tonight
on the Late Show with Megan and Sydney. Dude. I don't know.
She braided my hair. Look.
I'm kind of dead tonight, y'all. I'm not as, you know.
She's very, no, she was before we turned this little camera thing on.
Oh, God.
She's like all lovesick over some boy.
I'm not.
Oh.
No, it's more like, okay, little YouTubers, it's more like a, I don't even know what it is.
A big old crush.
Yeah, but I don't even know the guy, so it's more like a
Fantasy crush.
no. It's a
fling.
It's a fling, yeah.
Fling it.
How can you see me? Move the camera. Other way.
Oh.
Camera whore. Oh, that'll work, I guess. So,
All good.
YouTubers, you want to see my YouTube, dude? We watched Jersey Shore tonight.
Yeah, we did.
And we made milkshakes with her mom.
Oh, that was. Mom doesn't know how to work the blender, so she took off the little cap thing and it went everywhere.
I'm wearing a dress right now. Not really.
She's in my clothes again. Because, she spent the night again and didn't go home. Because, she didn't want to go home.
I never
She has
go
no
home
clothes.
here.
So, my clothes are like humongous on her.
So I'm hoping we get to go to Dubville this weekend.
Yeah! I know.
Megan's first party.
I'm excited!
17 years old, never been to a party.
Because no one invites me anywhere.
Shut up, Megan. You don't tell the world that kind of stuff.
People invite me lots of places. I just turn them down because I'm so busy. Busy me. That's me.
But yes, I'm hoping that Megan will dance with me and
I don't know how, but I will surely attempt it.
yeah, YouTubers. You already heard this once in my first video, but I tried to teach her how to dance. She wouldn't do it.
It's in a bedroom.
Once again, don't mind me.
Oh boy, it's gonna be a long 3 months, my friends.
Yeah. It's. I look really pale tonight.
You're like, no.
Oh, I'm not wearing makeup. Yeah.
You took a shower. You just took a shower.
She left me half the day, and I was stuck.
I went to Dolce for snack time.
That's all she's been doing all day. Snack.
Ooh, you guys have to go there and order the Italian sodas, the strawberry kind. They're amazing. They're like the bomb diggity. Cause where my gun went?
That's gross. So I'm thinking, my hair looks like crap. Hang on. So I'm thinking about.
Boys.
No, yeah, actually, I have it's another story another day.
My burps are so quiet, you can't even detect them.
My burps are belches. It runs in the family on my dad's side. Just like the spit.
Boobs.
Beep!
Almost a good crap. She has a doctor's appointment in the morning.
I have to get up early.
Real early. Like in 8 hours.
I should be in bed right now, but I'm not. I'm making another YouTube video because our last one got some good responses in less than, like,
4 hours.
4 hours. But y'all, guys, I have a problem with y'all.
Very big one. A very big one.
Yeah. Again.
You need to comment.
You're not leaving me comments. Like, I'm the guest star. I interrupted Megan's little webcast thing.
It saddens her on the inside.
And y'all don't even leave me. Yeah, it does. Y'all don't leave me comments, thumbs ups, nothing. You know what I bet?
What?
I bet half of those views are from your little Spencerins. They're like. Anyways.
Spencerins.
Like, y'all really need to leave me some feedback or I don't want to come back. Because I feel really dumb. Like, we have like 80 views. Nobody saying anything. Yeah, so you need to talk to me. Because I'm not going to be here all the time like Sarah.
Sarah ain't gonna...
Oh, just kidding. How's the weather down there and where you live? Leave us some comments about the weather.
Weather's nice.
Yes, because I got to break up the shorts. The short shorts.
She had some booty shorts.
They weren't booty shorts. Those are not booty shorts.
So what do you call booty shorts? Having your butt hang out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those are why they're called booty shorts.
Shut up.
Tell her, YouTube, tell her.
Oh boy.
So, I'm thinking I want something salty to eat right now, but I've like ate a lot today, so.
Yeah, my tummy still hurts.
God. She's gonna.
Stupid Reese's Cups.
Oh, it wasn't the Reese's.
Yeah, it was the Reese's.
Blame it on the Reese's, just because she's had about a trillion this week.
Like the things we've gone through, like.
Shut up! They don't even know that.
A lot. But,
I'm not.
Yeah, I tried to go to sleep earlier, and,
Dude, she was trying to go to bed like 9 o'clock. I was like, you are not.
I was tired.
No, we were watching a movie, and she's like falling asleep on me. I'm like, what are you doing?
It was Eclipse, and it was at the end.
No, it wasn't even close to me. It
was at the end. I woke up to her standing over me. Are you asleep?
I was taking pictures of her. And
you didn't show me those.
I deleted them.
Oh.
I was going to run in her bedroom, this here room, and I was going to grab a marker, and I swear I was going to write on her. But then I got real close to see if she was awake, and up pops Megan.
When you send someone staring down at you.
No.
But, then I come in here and I lay down, and she, like, tackles me and junk on my own bed. She wouldn't let me lay in my own bed.
Oh yeah, I wasn't gonna let her lay down because she was gonna go to sleep.
Yeah, and then she got in the shower and I kind of dozed off, and then I was wide awake because mom's like, you gotta go to bed, and I was like, yep.
And she's like,
we never had dinner. And I was like, yeah, I want biscuits and gravy.
She's like, I'm not cooking.
Biscuits and gravy.
I'm not cooking.
Yeah. So then we made milkshakes, which was a disaster.
That didn't go well at all.
They tasted good eventually.
Yeah, I think I need a little more vanilla.
Yeah, just a smidge.
So I think we should call somebody while we're on this little rampage. Well, no, wait, no, because I'm not stopping myself. We've already been going for 8 minutes, y'all, and we've been talking about absolutely nothing. I do not blame you if you do not watch this one, but I'm going to put a really good title on it so you do.
I know.
Because that's what got it last time, is Tickle Me Dustin.
Yeah.
I thought of that. Credit to me. Y'all need to leave me some thumbs up.
She has this thing where she tends to fall.
Yeah, I have really bad balance. I'm sweating in this shirt.
So I'm very excited today because I got a text message.
Dude, how soft my foot is right there. Feel it.
She wants me to touch her foot.
Feel it. It's soft. Isn't it soft? I have soft feet, y'all. I have soft feet. Hey, boys. Suck my toes. I'm just kidding.
That's what we were gonna do.
You were gonna suck my
toes. No. When we were in Kroger, and we were sitting there, and we were saying you were gonna do my makeup, and then we were gonna be like, any takers?
Oh yeah. We will. Okay. If our plan goes according
to plan,
we will have.
I want to become the shot, so I don't feel like I'm taking over the zone.
Normally I'm the video whore, but anyways, the past 2 videos I have been kind of.
You talk a lot.
I do. Anyways, and if our plan goes accordingly, then on Saturday I'm going to make her over, and then we will have a matchmaker with Megan and Cindy. And I'll try to, and for all you YouTubers, want her with everything in you. She's gonna be hot.
Yeah.
Cause I know what I'm doing. I do.
Yeah, you know what you do.
I got the magic.
She can make a bum.
I got talent.
I like how we're all up in the blue.
Hurry, Soil. I'm not wearing a bra, y'all.
Nice not you know. I'm wearing one.
I'm not. I'm trying to keep my tits out of the picture.
It's pretty. Take off, take off.
But then again, I'm wearing Megan's shirt, so it's kind of like
It's huge.
So you can't really tell. So look at this. I'll show y'all. You ready?
Yeah, just show how fat I am.
I'm sorry. And then here's little Sippy in here.
You can fit like 5 of her in my shirt.
Oh, there's some stuff. Yeah, so I'm very, you know.
Floppy?
Oh, yeah, I'm floppy. We have very little time to finish this one. This one's very stupid.
But funny.
I think our next one we're going to have to actually talk about something.
I got gum.
Oh!
Mine is so wimpy compared to yours tonight. I think it's like some Pepsi.
It's not Pepsi, that's Dr.K.
Technical difficulties, guys. Technical difficulties.
Oh my God.
Wiping up the mess. Wiping up the mess. Alright. Now we figured out that you can't gargle and cough at the same time. I had a little tickle. My phone still works so good. I had to let it dry out for a little bit.
Is that what you were trying to do? Oh, this is. Oh.
No, I coughed. I had a little tickle. I'm going to swallow first. Okay. I think that's your like eyeliner covering exactly my back. It's kind of like. Alright. You chose your time.
Oh, I mean, crap. I think we're gonna end this one on a good note. Yeah.